So, because it's that efficient, because it gives you a lot more freedom, and a lot more people can do that. I can do that, you can do that, everybody here can do that. Anybody that can move a file from folder to a folder can use nocode, which is great. But it's so much easier to get stuck in build mode because of all the opportunities that you have. What does it mean to get stuck in build mode? When you're thinking about, okay, I need to add this one last feature, and I need to polish this one text. I need to add this much button and do this. I mean, anybody that has ever launched anything knows exactly what I'm talking about. You want to launch a product that is perfect, or at least good enough. And it's almost never good enough. You always find something that is not great, could be done better. You know, it's a never-ending loop. And in case of the engineering team, let's say a traditional approach, you always have a feedback saying, man, we're tired of doing this, all these iterations. Can you launch it already? And we were like this has cost us a lot of money to hire a team that would do specifically this button shuffling because it doesn't bring really anything good. With no code, you can do that by yourself. You can sit all day and move the buttons here and there, and it can be prettier, it can be better, it can be worse. Basically, you have no feedback loop, so it's very easy to get stuck in that mode, which is something that you don't want to do. What you want to do instead is you want to be in a ship mode. Again, a couple of my colleagues were suggesting exactly that. So, and lean startup methodology, if you condense it to like one sentence, is about that. Launch your product to your best knowledge, doing all the preparation work that you can, and then learn based on the results coming from the real world. Because regardless of how great your preparation is, regardless of how wonderful your customer development is, real world is going to give you a different feedback, and you will have to iterate on your product no matter what, at least in the software world. Maybe not in landing to the moon, but yeah, software world is different and better in that sense. So no-code tools make it so much easier. You're putting something out there very fast. People are giving you immediate feedback. It's a real product. It's not a mock-up. You don't have to catch anyone in the corridor to get that feedback. You put it out there, and if people are using it, great. If people are not using it, okay, not so great, but why? And you take the learning really fast, and you apply the changes, and you iterate on the product super fast. And you can do it actually with a very limited amount of resources by yourself, technically, but actually usually there's a person who's responsible for that, but still, not an engineering team. You don't need a CTO for that and all that stuff.